Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply fix Uber Eats promo code error. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. So for that, what you have to do is, first of all, you're gonna have to access your particular settings app for that, because if you're having that kind of errors while entering a promo code in Uber Eats, it's not being redeemed or anything like that, you have to access your settings for the matter. And we're gonna cancel it. We're gonna go back, and here in the search bar we're gonna type in storage, and now we'll tap access our storage. And now in this iPhone storage section, we're gonna find our particular Uber Eats app. Now tap on it, and now we have two options, right? One is simply the offloading app. Once we tap on this offload app, we'll be able to offload our app, which will simply uninstall it, but it will keep our information and data, and then afterwards we're going to reinstall our app from our app store, and we're going to enter our information again, try to redeem our promo code, and it will work. If that doesn't work, other option, if you are okay with it, if you would like to take a risk about it, you can tap on this delete app, which will simply remove all of the data in the app itself. Again, gotta go to your app store, reinstall your app, enter your information, and again try to redeem your code like that. So this two option you have to do is suggest offloading app. That will simply fix it. If it does not, then only you do the deleting app. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.